Hey, what's up guys? Today we have a new sniper gameplay for you, and this time it's Spider. He's an ex-military guy and he's running the SSG10 A1. It's a beautiful weather condition, there's no wind whatsoever, so with the precision of the SSG10 A1 and Spider's military experience, he's gonna kill it today. So let's dive right into the gameplay. Spider is starting off his hunt in a trench near the respawn and hits a couple guys. This allowed the blue team to advance forward, but shortly Spider receives friendly fire from the other side.
Co to bylo? Modrá! Modrá!
Luckily he didn't get hit and he can continue his hunt. The enemies are getting closer and closer, and soon they will attack.
Pěkná, pěkná. Jo. Dobrá.
After the respawn, Spider goes for the city, which is completely occupied by the enemies, so they will have to fight their way through. With his precise fire, he's taking the enemies down one by one, slowly making his way to the center of the city.
Jeden minus.
Jo, taky bych chtěl mít paměť.
Druhý.
I really like summer for playing Airsoft, but there is one huge disadvantage, and this is the vegetation. Especially for snipers, it can be very challenging to hit something through all those leaves and branches. Sometimes you get lucky, but sometimes you have to fire multiple shots to hit the enemy. In this case, it seems that Spider is getting lucky with every shot he fires.
Si mi do prdele, si to po mně. Mám ho, pěkně. Co to?
Unfortunately, the round ends before they could conquer the whole area. After the lunch break, they switched sides. He rushes to the first line to get some early hits and to capture as much of the city as possible before the enemy establishes the defense.
Mám ho, na rohu.
The enemy is focusing mostly on the city. Spider recognized that very early and moved to the other side of the field to flank them from the left side.
Já vidím hlavu. Mám ho. Natürlich, was?
There's almost no resistance, so they can advance quickly and surprise them.
Robi.
Mám ty vole!
Chodí od spoda, už pojď. Pěkná práce. Ano.
Now they're controlling the main route to the city from the respawn. The enemies are having a hard time trying to get through.
Tady je průměr, dávej bacha, jo? Pojď na ručku jsem. Další, jo.
Spider's precise fire is just devastating. This gave the rest of the blue team enough time to capture the city and the game ended. Hope you guys enjoyed Spider's hunt. If you're interested in the rifle he was using, the link is in the video description. Have a great day and see you in the next one.